Hello, this is John and I take apart your Xbox. See, I already took my faceplate off and my vents. See, you just pop the prongs through the vent holes here, and you can make it easy enough. I used one of these. Not that bad. So then you want to go to the front, and you have one. You can see that. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, if you do this, this will void your warranty, so just tell them YouTube how to take it off with a hairdryer and shit. I don't care because I say to warranty, so you just want to stick something under to open it. See. And then you just pull it back. And then you want to take it into the back. I put screwdriver in where we just opened just to keep it open, because sometimes it has to shut. So you can see it in the mirror that I put the screwdriver there. Then you want to get something flat. So I've got like small scissors. Sorry, open one. You want to go. Okay, there we go. I'm going to pop them down there towards the bottom. Some will click, some might not. Yours probably will, because you've never opened it before, but I have, so mine don't quite that much. 7 of these. I'll just point them out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Can you see that? Right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Alright, back to open. Might take a few tries to get them popped open and lifting up. You want to pull it open while pushing them down to try and get them to lift off. So it'll break away from the case like that. I get one on this side. And you see, you do it and it comes back. It does come apart, so I'll send one for me. Don't do this now, already. Just over. Hopefully it should come about. You can see it round back to the first one. See if it is working. You see what the mechanism does and stuff like that. This is taking quite a while to open. I wouldn't recommend doing what I'm doing. As you can see, I just broke one of mine. Not broke it, but bent it a bit. See that? Get it out of the way. So, most people would, you're going to get your T10, ignore the technical screwdriver, but most people would take all the screws out, but the outside ones anyway. But all you really need to do is take the big silver ones out, the really big ones. The gold ones are really small ones, but the big ones hold it all in place. I'm going to keep them in a safe place. You might may hear a few clicking noises from the Xbox. You might hear a big one. When we do it, I do it. This is time consuming. It's even more time consuming if you take all the rest out. If you get into the motherboard kind of, you will need to take them all out. So if you just do it, get into the drive, the DVD drive, say you've got your tray or something, this is all you need to do. Just these 6 multiplied with. See? And what I do, I flip it over, Jesus, flip it over, and lift it up. You might want to pop the eject button out of place, like that. Voila, and it's up. Now, so you want to take this out, you want to lift it up, press its place, and you have the SAT cable, the white one is the power cable. The power cable you just wiggle out, and the SAT cable you just yank out. And now you need to, oh, that wasn't good. Set this apart, you need your Phillips. It's so small. This will bind your own as well, so what you have this part, so it's void, there's no part. Ring. These are not that tight. Just wanna take out the screws. Then you put it over and I hold the sides and put it, and there you go. This is where you can refer the open tray or stuff like that. So if you like the videos, please like and subscribe and look at others. I've got one video coming up there to reassemble this and how to fix the open tray error. So please have a look at them as well. Good luck. Okay. Thanks. Bye.